What up, Diecast Nation? This is your boy, Gary, coming at you with another video, and plus an explanation. I know you guys see my intro now. It's a rabbit hole production. Some of you guys know what that means, and those who don't know, sometimes I go through this obsession of finding different brands, like for instance Tomica, Mini GT, and so on and so on. Like a lot of us, we all started with just Hot Wheels. A lot of people didn't collect Matchbox when I first started. Everybody had Hot Wheels because that was the biggest thing out there, because Hot Wheels made the coolest cars. And then by the luck of walking into a big lot, I found Matchbox cars and like, hey, those were pretty cool cars. And so I started collecting Matchbox and Hot Wheels. Then I started collecting more Matchbox than I collect Hot Wheels, because Matchbox made some cool cars, and they still do to this day. They have great details on their cars that at a mainline stage than Hot Wheels does. And so that was my biggest thing for quite a while there, the battle between those two. Then I found a cheaper car, which is Maisto's main lines. They weren't the best. The wheels sucked on them and the whole nine. So here we go. That rabbit hole is starting to change. A different brand. Then after that, then you start graduating to different things, different brands. Tomica, Mini GT, and so on. Right? So now I'm back in that rabbit hole again, because as of right now, I can't find a lot of Hot Wheels out there on the pigs. And if I do, it's all fantasy casting. So the next best thing is, hey, why not try looking for different brands to add to your collection? And I blame David Jones for this. David over at Twice Diecast, I blame you for this. No, but it's cool. If you ever watch his channel, guys, give a shout out to David over at Twice Diecast. And I learned a lot about different brands just from watching his YouTube channel. And so now I'm in that, again, rabbit hole. You guys see me doing like muscle machine. All of a sudden I just bought a bunch of muscle machines. What's the next one I just bought? Bugatti? Not, but I can't think now. Brain farts, guys. Whatever, I can't really remember at the moment. But I just bought a different brand, and I bought all Ferraris, you know, from this brand. And there's many more out there, which, hey, I don't have the cash for that, but if I can buy one, maybe every 3 months or whatever it may be, hey, that'll work out. Unless I find a good deal, then I can buy it, you know, 5 or 6 at a time. Like for right now, I have this other brand that you guys see me did before. I picked up like 3 more. The ones I showed you guys before, if you guys recall that video, those damn things were all damaged. So this next person I bought these from, they were in good shape. No issues, came in a box, safety, and the whole 9 yards. And so that is, it's called the Cca, which is Cool Chick Autos. And it's supposed to be their premium series. And if you guys could see, diecast models, cars, official license, premium series, and They say it's a 1/64 scale, and as you guys can see, it is the Toyota Corolla Camry. I'm sorry, I used to own a Corolla. That was the worst thing I could ever drove. 4-cylinder. That thing didn't have no juice. But yeah, sorry about the box dust. So as you guys can see, it says working suspension. And also at the top there, MSZ, metal speed zone. I mean, the card load is pretty cool, and this card load is the same on all of the models. It doesn't change. The back, if you want to read all that, I don't want to read it. Don't want to show it because I can't understand it. So I got the Toyota, picked up a Lamborghini, and for this one, guys, this is a first, and that is the Volkswagen Amarok. Never heard of it, but I know this car is probably famous in Australia, if I'm not mistaken, if I looked that up right. So we're gonna crack this bad boys open. We're gonna put them on the wheel and let you guys look at what I picked up here and give me your opinion. So let me get set up and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, got the wheel set up. Let's crack these bad boys open. I have to admit the packaging is pretty darn sweet. But so here's the Toyota. Got a little suspension on it, guys. I got that front end. Plastic base. The body, I don't know. Feel it's card light, but it can feel a little weight to it, so it might be metal base. I mean metal body. I'm sorry, guys. Plastic base, but you guys can see the detail on it. It's pretty sweet. And they are rollers, guys. And that'd be the Toyota Camry. Again, guys, this is their premium series. Okay, let's kick open the Lambo. And it's like the last guy I got them from, man, they just did not care about the packaging or anything. But I don't know if this is the same person or not, but just trying to actually put them in the box. Maybe when I sent those pictures back, it could be the same person that sent those pictures back to them and showed them how everything was all jacked up. They decided, okay, let's do a better, ship it a better way. But man, they were jacked up badly. But man, check out this Lamborghini. I can't complain about the wheels. I guess I can if I want, but they're not bad. If I was looking at this and compare this to the Maisto's main line to this is hands down the better car. But would you just look at that? Look. Black interior. Tail light section done. Oh, this is nice overall. This is nice. Guys, tell me what you think. I think I'm gonna go back one more time and pick up another set that I thought was pretty cool. Again, same thing. Majorette does that for their cars, give them suspension. And again, these cars are definitely all licensed, okay, 100%. Okay, this is one that I never heard of before. This is the first time I'm hearing about this car, the Volkswagen Rock. And you guys can see the Volkswagen badging. Can't tell if it's left hand or right hand drive. There's the back end is done. But I don't see the steering wheel. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's left hand drive. Yeah. Pretty sturdy. Again, man, you can't beat that. There's a whole lot going on in the base, but the base is all plastic. And again, like, these have screws in them, so you can unscrew and do whatever you want with them. I wonder what this look like with some meaty tires on it. Put some real riders on them. Would they be the right method? I still haven't figured out how to cut these things yet, guys. I'm sorry. I know you guys gave me some cool suggestions on how to do this. I guess these, the ones that I have, they will fit them perfect. Huh. Awesome. You know, maybe I might take one and do a wheel swap on it. So those are my latest finds. Hope you guys like them. And again, guys, this place, this brand is called Cca. Hi guys, it's your boy. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a cool comment. If you have a favorite out of this, hey, you know what to do. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming, checking us out. We're trying to grow. Eventually, I will have another giveaway coming up soon. And the whole thing I hate about the giveaways, I can't send them overseas. And I know I have a lot of people that watch me from all over, but man, I wish I was able to afford to send them across the water. Who knows, one day if I get enough cha-ching together, I may do that, just have a open up worldwide giveaway. So, but thank you guys for supporting me anyway. That's pretty much it, guys. You guys enjoy your day. Happy hunting. And I will see you on the next one. Deuces, guys. I am out. Bye now.